Hello everyone, this is Riya and I, along with my friends Sarang and Akash, have prepared the project Private Protests for the post-COVID hackathon. So in this project, we are trying to address the problem that in the recent times it is very difficult to protest in a peaceful manner, as even the peaceful protest can quickly turn into riots because of some violent factions of the society, and the fact that the excess violence exerted by the police to quiet these all these people acts as a catalyst for further violence. Also, as we've seen in the recent massive protests which happened in Hong Kong, the state law enforcement agencies were able to identify the organizers of the protests by exploiting some features of the Telegram app. So, in the solution that we are proposing, we have used proxy encryption so that the information about the protest can be selectively shared among only some trusted legitimate participants. Also, it is a completely trustless application so that we don't have to trust any third party application like WhatsApp or Telegram to share the details of the protests. Also, it is very easy to onboard to our application, so any non-technical person can also quickly learn to use it. Yeah, so our application, the solution includes features like off-chain verification, where the organizers can actually verify the willing participants, and then they can they can add them to the list of the people who will be able to see the protest info. So this is to protect the protests from social engineering attacks and from spying by some impersonators. Also, using the proxy encryption, the organizers can selectively share this information. So our tech stack includes we have deployed the smart contracts on the Risk blockchain, and we have used IPFS for decentralized storage of the protest information, and lastly the proxy encryption by NuCypher has been used. So let us quickly look at the demo. So now there is an organizer and they want to create a protest event. So we're just entering the details like the location, the Google Maps URL, the date and time for the protest. So now the protest is created. Now let us say there is an attendee and he or she wants to access the protest details. So when they try to access it, as you can see, they have not been verified yet. So so on this page they can get their public keys, which will help them to get access to the data. So what they have to do is they have to contact the organizer, and after some off-chain verification, where the organizer verifies that they are legitimate participants, they can share their public keys with the organizer. Also, this initially we're just showing QR code so that it is easy for the protester to actually transfer the keys from one platform to another for easy onboarding. So here the organizer has actually verified the protester, and now they are adding them to the verified protesters list. So after adding the keys, now we can see that here the protester is able to see the details, and this is the IPFS content identifier. So here we can see the file that is hosted on IPFS, and this file is specifically for the protester. It includes the ciphertext and the policy encrypting key, the verifying key, all these details which are required for decrypting the ciphertext and to find the protest details. Now the private key is required to retrieve the protest details, and only the protester has access to that. So the details have been shared selectively. So so this was all for our demo. As you can see, we have created an ERP for protests, and we have abstracted away all the details of the selective sharing of information, the encryption, decryption, so that it is easy for any non-technical user also to quickly onboard to the application. For the future improvements to the application, we are thinking of off-chain verification, where it is possible for the organizer to add the trusted participants and we are planning to include this that part also to our application. Also features like sharing of live stream and some images of the throughout the protests, and the sharing of notifications and information about required to redirect the protest to certain areas depending upon the situations of the protests. So that was all for our demo and our presentation. Hope you liked it. Thank you.